This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking prerequisites: API keys, database, and a lightweight backend. First, wire a simple collector that queries one search API and stores raw results in PostgreSQL. Once done, normalize results into a keywords table with columns for term, volume, intent, CPC. Make sure to implement per-key rate limits and exponential backoff so you don't lose access. You will iterate quickly if the data model is clean. This first step gets continuous ingestion running right away. Now build the middle, the ETL and scoring pipeline. You dedupe and normalize terms, detect language, and run stemming so variants collapse into canonical keywords. Then compute metrics, monthly volume, trend delta percentage, CPC averages, and a difficulty score from SERP features. Once processed, enrich entries with intent classification and related terms using embeddings. Make sure to schedule these jobs with Airflow or a Redis queue. That lets you recompute scores without blocking ingestion or the UI. Finish by exposing data via a fast API and a minimal UI so you can search, filter, and export CSV or JSON. Once deployed, optimize database reads with indexes, materialized views, and Redis caching for hot queries. Make sure pagination prevents huge responses. If things go wrong, quota errors, missing results, or stale caches, first validate API key limits and logs, then rerun ETL on suspect ranges. One troubleshooting tip: clear affected cache entries, confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.